How to win a beauty pageant talent showcase. Beauty pageants can be an amazing way to make friends, have fun, and show your stuff. But how can you put your best foot forward, so you win the day? We've got your back. From interviews, to the talent competition, to fine-tuning your look, this guide will offer all the pro tips you need to succeed. That way, you can just focus on shining on the day of the pageant, and enjoying the ride. Number 1. Choose a talent you feel confident performing. Certain talents are common in pageants, like dancing and playing instruments. It's great if you're a talented dancer or musician, but if you're not, don't try to force your talent. Choose a talent that you'd feel confident performing. For example, the talent could be something fairly unusual like ventriloquism or karate. The talent shouldn't be something you learn right before the competition. Choose something that you've been practicing for at least a year. Number 2. Practice your talent. Practice makes perfect is a common phrase, and that's because it's true. Don't wait until the pageant is just days away to practice your talent. Develop your routine and then spend time working on it every day. You should be able to go through your routine effortlessly so that you can focus on the performance aspect of the talent. If possible, get help from a coach to help you perfect your routine. Number 3. Pick a costume that displays the mood of your performance. If you're doing a tap dance to upbeat music, you may want to choose a brightly colored costume. If you're singing an emotional song, a long, black dress may be ideal. No matter what you're performing, consider how you want the audience to perceive your performance when choosing a costume. Make sure your costume fits properly and doesn't have any rips or tears before going on stage. Number 4. Perform with confidence. You may feel nervous before going on stage, but that's completely normal. Take a few breaths and visualize the routine you've worked so hard on before performing. Go on stage with a smile and keep your head up. Even if you make a mistake, continue on and do not stop until the routine is over. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.